Listing all animals on the planet is nearly impossible, as there are millions of species, ranging from mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, fish, and invertebrates. However, here's a categorized summary of various groups of animals to provide an extensive overview. Yes, mammals. Big cats. Lions, tigers, leopards, cheetahs, jaguars. Primates. Monkeys, gorillas, chimpanzees, lemurs. Marine mammals. Whales, dolphins, seals, sea lions, manatees. Herbivores. Elephants, giraffes, zebras, deer, kangaroos. Carnivores. Wolves, foxes, bears, hyenas. Rodents. Mice, rats, squirrels, beavers, porcupines. Marsupials. Koalas, wallabies, Tasmanian devils, opossums. Other mammals. Pangolins, anteaters, bats, sloths. Birds. Flightless birds. Ostriches, emus, penguins, kiwis. Raptors, eagles, hawks, falcons, owls. Waterbirds. Ducks, swans, pelicans, flamingos, herons. Songbirds, sparrows, robins, canaries, nightingales. Tropical birds, parrots, toucans, macaws, cockatoos. Other birds, crows, ravens, pigeons, peacocks. You well as reptiles, crocodilians, crocodiles, alligators, caimans, gharials. Lizards, geckos, iguanas, monitor lizards, chameleons. Snakes, cobras, pythons, boas, vipers, anacondas. Turtles and tortoises, sea turtles, box turtles, Galapagos tortoises. Other reptiles, Komodo dragons, skinks, Lamarcarismes. Amphibians, frogs, poison dart frogs, tree frogs. Salamanders, axolotls, newts, toads, Sicilian. Fish, cartilaginous fish, sharks, rays, skate. Bony fish, tuna, salmon, clownfish, angelfish. Freshwater fish, catfish, trout, bass, piranhas. Deep sea fish, anglerfish, lanternfish, gulper eel. Invertebrates, insects, butterflies, bees, ants, beetles, dragonflies. Arachnids, spiders, scorpions, ticks, mites. Crustaceans, crabs, lobsters, shrimp, barnacles. Mollusks, snails, octopuses, squids, clams. Jellyfish and corals, moon jellyfish, anemones, sea corals. Worms, earthworms, flatworms, leeches. Examples of unique animals: platypus, ai, pangolin, axolotl, narwhal, okapi, red panda. This list is just a glimpse into the incredible diversity of life on Earth. Let me know if you'd like to explore a specific group in more detail.